Finding the perfect candidate for a job is sometimes harder than finding love on Tinder. Although there isn't a perfect formula for finding a match, there is a channel to find the person you want to work with, and it's none other than LinkedIn. If you're looking to incorporate the perfect person to your team, it's time to publish an offer on LinkedIn. A lot of the work depends on you and how you write the offer. Let's get into the most technical part first, which is how to create an offer on LinkedIn. Enter into LinkedIn with your username and password and go directly to the employment section in the top menu. Among the sections, choose Post a Job. If you've never entered into this section before, you have to identify yourself by filling in the fields with your email and LinkedIn password. Once you're inside, you can get down to work with your ad. Complete the form to add general job details such as job title and company. Select whether the job will be in person, hybrid, or fully remote in the workplace type option. Now, add a location, if necessary, for the ad to show to job seekers in that area. And you can simply choose the type of contract you will offer. Once you have completed the form, click on the Get Started Today free button. The first part is completed, so now it's the time to bring out your creativity to attract talented people. Clearly explain what you're looking for and don't leave anything blank. The clearer, the better, so you can avoid candidates who don't fit the position. Describe the job role itself, the responsibilities, and what they will do in the first few months working with you. Also, add the skills you value and what your brand vision or mission is. Click the preview button to see what your listing will look like, and if you're happy with the results, click continue. Now it's time for the second part of the form, the applicant options. Check whether you would like to be notified about potential candidates by email or to your LinkedIn company page. We're almost there, we just have to fill in the pre-selection questions. LinkedIn recommends that you enter at least 3 questions so that you're able to do a small screening of candidates and save hours looking at resumes that don't fit what you're looking for. Choose one of the questions prepared by LinkedIn or create a custom one. And the final step is here. It's time to post your job offer. To do this, you have 2 options, either a free one or a paid one. The first option is free, and in this case, your application will simply appear in the search results. But if this falls short, choose the promoted option. In it, you can select a daily or total budget for LinkedIn to promote your job offer on the network. But is it worth paying to publish your offer? Like everything else, it depends on what you need. We'll tell you the benefits of promoting your job offer so you can decide for yourself. If you decide to promote your offer, it will appear among the first postings in the search results, and you will have a prominent position in the job recommendations. In addition, LinkedIn will send mobile offers to qualified candidates and allow you to receive intelligent alerts about individuals looking for employment. Select the option best for you, publish your job offer, and you're done. You just have to wait for the requests to start coming. Oh, and don't forget to share your job offer on your profile so that it reaches more people. And that's how you can find the perfect candidate for your brand. If you have a business or brand, learn how to get the most out of LinkedIn in this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and while you're there, make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest news about what's happening on social media. Until next time, Metricooler.